The OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, model is a conceptual framework that explains how data is transferred between different devices over a network. It organizes the process into 7 layers, each with a specific role, making it easier to understand and troubleshoot networking systems. Think of it as a step-by-step guide for how computers talk to each other over the internet or any network. There are 7 layers in the OSI model. Those are application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical, each handling specific tasks to ensure seamless data communication across networks. Follow the link below and understand the complete video. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.